Hi Teeny Weeny Pros, it's Teeny Weeny Pro right here, back with another video, and I'm going to show you an unboxing of all my products that I got from Taura Amore collection. So stay tuned. But before we get into the video, I want you to make sure that you like, subscribe, and just enjoy the ride. So in my box of goodies, I received a memo from Taura Amore Collections. It says, "Hey bestie, first of all, congratulations on becoming a Taura Amore Bow Bestie. I'm so excited to have you on my team. I know there has been quite a delay due to COVID-19, but we are finally ready to get the ball rolling." Yes, we are. So I'm going to show you guys the products. So this feature collection is the Macanet collection, infuses both the maca root herb and the alkanet root herb into the products for outstanding results. So I'm going to show you what I have first. So first is the Macanet Re-Moisturize Her alkanet root and maca root infused. Then we have the Macanet Powerhouse Shampoo. Then we have the Macanet Root Oil. The September Oil. The Macanet Twist Me Cream, and you guys know, oh, I love a twist out. The Macanet Deep Conditioner. And the Macanet Leave-In Conditioning Lotion. So in total, I received 7 products from Taura Amore. And this happens to be the first time that I'm using these products, so I can't wait. I'm honestly excited. I've seen a lot of people do reviews on products, but since I've been trying to save these coins due to COVID-19 and not knowing what's going on, I'm super excited that I get to actually use these products and show you guys how they work on my hair and my honest results, because these will be my first reactions of all of these products. So if you're interested in seeing me utilize these products in my next wash day, stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.